Tracking your website analytics is one of the most important things you can do if you want to scale your marketing website. And even though Webflow is a really powerful tool, and some would say even more powerful than WordPress, it doesn't have native analytics integrated into the platform yet. But luckily, with tools like DataGoat, you're going to be able to integrate analytics really easily into Webflow completely for free and get some really advanced insights on your website. So that's why in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install DataGoat and also what are all the things you can see from DataGoat directly in our dashboard. So let's jump straight into it. With DataGoat, you're gonna have that much more insights on what's actually happening on your website. And with that data, you're hopefully gonna be able to have a lot more visitors long-term and make way more money with your website. So let's go ahead and see how can we install DataGoat inside of Webflow. The first step is going to be, of course, to go ahead and create an account. You can go ahead and visit datagoat.co to create a completely free account, which is going to allow you to track up to one website completely for free. So by going through the sign up process and signing in with Google, we're going to be able to create an account. The important step in creating an account with Google is to select a Google account which has access to your GA4 analytics. If you're doing this for your client, you want to ensure that your client invites you to their GA4 as a contributor so that you can have the access to the data. Or if you're doing this for your own website, just ensure to select an email which actually has a GA4 account on the backend. If you don't have Google Analytics already set up, just ensure to go ahead to Google Analytics website to create a free analytics account, and you're gonna be good to go ahead and install the plugin itself. So I'm gonna choose Webflow Ninja, I'm gonna sign in, and I'm gonna press continue. By authorizing with Google, we're gonna be able to go to the sign up screen. Here, we first wanna select a Webflow project we want to track analytics on. So I'm gonna connect to Webflow, and I'm gonna choose Flow Ninja as a website. As in this case, I want to track my own website. With the new update, you're going to be able to track as many websites as you want to, whether it's going to be for you or for your clients. But in this video, I'll start with one, as this is what we're getting in a free version of DataGoat. But if you want to track more websites, feel free to select as many of them as you want to. After authorizing the Webflow account, we need to authorize the Google Analytics property we want to track. In my case, you're going to see that I'm just seeing Flow Ninja. But when it comes to your case, you might see a lot more of these accounts here, and you want to ensure that the Webflow project is connected to the right Google Analytics 4 project. And with this, we can go next and authorize those two together and start slowly getting the fun information for our website. And just because our website has been tracking data for a longer time, you're going to see the moment when we go into the dashboard that I'm seeing all of the data. For you, this might not be the case. You might authorize with Google Analytics and Webflow, and you might not see anything here. And that's fine. Just wait 24 to 48 hours. And also, you might need to press another button to go ahead and push the DataGoat script to your Webflow website, which is going to allow us to track clicks, to track form submissions, and many more things. And that is okay. We cannot see anything on your website, and Webflow is checking our code every single month to ensure that the plugin is as secure and that you don't have any problems in the end. So after going over the boring part of installing the plugin, let's see what can we see in the plugin itself today. We're going to be able to see all of the forms on our website. In our case, let's see the form where people book a call and actually want to build a website with us. We're going to see like our conversion rate and how many people convert on our website and what's our conversion rate. We're going to see what are the top sources, where do people come which convert. So we see that people come from Google, which different websites, from Clutch and stuff like that. And we see that the top performing page for our conversions is Let's Talk Flow. And just getting a form submissions, which is main purpose of your website in the end, is to get a lead, and understanding where those leads come from is a really crucial step in order for you to grow your business and for you to actually understand how your website is kind of behaving. You can see kind of how this performs over the last 7 days. You can see how it performs over the last 90 days, and you can just change all the data, see all of the forms you have on the website, and just dig a lot deeper into your website and understand how it actually works. On top of that, you can do sorting with impressions, like with conversions, all of those kind of fun things, which are gonna allow you to get a deeper understanding of where people convert, how you can optimize conversions, and how can you hopefully have more and more conversions on your website week in and week out. Afterwards, we're gonna jump into the Google 4 data, which is gonna be much easier to consume in this format. So you're gonna see the users, visitors, devices, time spent on the website, and many more helpful things. But on top of that, you're gonna start seeing where people actually click. On our website, we see that the fun thing is like everybody goes to our pricing for some reason, which is probably good because they want to become our clients. Our most important page on the website is the pricing page, and we know that we need to invest a lot more time and that we need to be really careful when we're changing the pricing
pricing page. Afterwards, we see where people go from our website. They go to Webflow, they go to Bougie Sliders, they go to DataGoat, they go to Flow Ventures and stuff like that. And also, we can see the mediums of where do people come to our website. They come from Google, they come directly, they come from Instagram, YouTube, etc., etc. When it comes to countries, our biggest kind of clients are from United States, so we can easily see that like most of the clients are from United States. We can see that like the most important page is homepage, then pricing, then our work, then I guess Framework versus Webflow, and then people want to talk to us. So like that's our funnel overview of kind of how our website works. And finally, we can go ahead and see where do people come to our website the most. So we see that most of the people came from organic search, then directly, and we know that all of the investments we're making on that front are worth it. With that, you might want to go ahead and install the custom script if you haven't installed it already. So just ensure to go ahead and click on the custom script to embed it so that you can see all of the data we're seeing here. And apart from that, if you want to add more projects, you can track up to 10 websites, up to 20 websites and more long-term with the DataGoat plugin. So with that, I strongly suggest to add as many projects as you want to here, to authorize with Webflow, and to ensure that you have all of the websites tracked and that you can use the data to go ahead and grow your project to the next heights.